So actually guys, if you are watching this video, then probably you will be my student. Okay, because this video is not public, because this video is unlisted, so it will reach to you if and only if someone has shared with you, right? So either you will be my own student, or you will be GATE aspirant, or you will be having that potential of marketing. See here, why I'm saying you can minimum earn 10k to 20k. You don't have to do anything, understand? But before going to this, I want to make it clear, very very clear. This payment what I am going to give you, this, like, without any problem, without any trouble, immediately this payment will be credited to your account using Google Pay or Phone Pay, whatever will be comfortable. Okay, GPay or Phone Pay. Now understand the logic here. Lot of things I want to clear. It will This video will be somewhat 10 minutes lengthy. So if you are my student, then already you are knowing my teaching methods. You are already liking the way I am teaching. You are already believing in all my study materials and in all my test series, right? Okay. So because you are already believing in me, and already I have given results properly, like proper results I have given in last few years. So the trust what I have gained from you, and the trust what you have shown in me, with that trust you can talk to your juniors or your classmates to join my course, right? Okay, this is one thing. Now next thing, if you are watching this video and you are not my student, suppose this video you have got because of some other student, in that case you may not be aware about my teaching style. You may not be aware about my study material or my test series or the way I take doubt sessions and blah blah things. So no problem at all. You go to my YouTube channel, Concept Library for GATE Aerospace, channel image Concept Library. So when you will visit my channel, then you can see all the content I have uploaded. Okay, and other than that I am taking live classes also. Other than that, video recording lectures also, recorded lectures also. Other than the test series, doubt session, private sessions, all call discussions, like everything, crash courses, revision batches, everything whatever is required to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam at top level competition, exactly like top level, like no one can beat us. Because in case of test series, we are going to touch 400 plus test series, 400 plus test series. Okay, for 2023 I'm talking, and in future this number will increase. And best part of the test series is with solution. And for many important and tough questions, I am giving video solutions as well. Anyway, so let's make it very clear. Idea is, I have courses ranging from 5k to 55k. Okay, so if you make so see, this video is helpful for you if you have this dedication to earn money. See, I am telling you now, 10k per month minimum you can make. 10k per month minimum. You calculate like this. First I will tell you the basic idea. You have to talk to students. Okay, this is not a big deal. How will you talk to students? You put your Instagram stories, you put your WhatsApp status or whatever. Like nowadays, you don't have to step out of your house. No need to go anywhere. Okay, just on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp, you apply some story. You take any of my video, or this video itself, or any other video, whatever you are liking on YouTube, that video you take. Or you can directly contact me. I will give you videos. Those videos you can put, or those posters you can put on your status. So interested people will come to you. Interested people will come to you, and they will ask that what is this, and they want to join this. Then if they are joining 30k program or 30k above program, in this program I will immediately give you 5k on every student. So don't you think that in 30 days you can get 2 students, just 2 students? You know what, if you want to do business, then only I am saying you this. Every day 15 minutes to half an hour you have to give to post status, that's all. And I don't think that it takes 15 minutes to post a status. Okay, one student is coming to you. After that, you don't have to talk to student. You don't have to talk anything to student. I will be giving you a link. Okay, that link you share. It means what? Your first step is post any status on your WhatsApp or Instagram. What kind of status? For that you can choose any video, or you can ask me that which video you should post. That is one thing. Now next thing, you have to, after that, if a student is interested, then a student will come to you. After that I will give you a large WhatsApp message. In that message all the important links will be there about the courses, about the fee structure. Just transfer that link, that's all, game over. After that, if a student will show interest, and now where is the catch point? Catch point is, if you will meet 10 students, so in aerospace industry, in 10 students, definitely one student will convert. So immediately you'll be getting 5k. And if you'll meet 20 student, then immediately, so now see here, in 10 student, in 10 meeting, one student is coming. If you are meeting 20 students, then definitely 2. Now you have 30 days in month. What you are doing actually nothing. You are simply posting stories on WhatsApp. And I'm not saying to post 50 stories. Just you put one story, sufficient. What kind of story? It should be kind of like any video from our concept library, or it can be any photo from our concept library, or any thumbnail from YouTube, or any screenshot, or anything. This will be your own way. Or if you don't know how to do this, anything, like nowadays everyone knows how to put story. Idea is very simple, because if you are my student, then you are already confident that my material is amazing, everything is going good. So for that, convincing student will not be a big deal. And if a student wants to talk to you for 2 to 5 minutes, no problem, because you are going to earn 5k from that. So you can give a call of 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can talk in your way. You can talk to your classmates, you can talk to your juniors, and understand my point. Because this coaching center, in whatever college you are, this college is running from last several years, and it will be running for next several years, and maybe for your lifetime. So this can be a very good opportunity if you are creating a good market. Okay, so from that particular college, every year you can give me students, and for every students, every month, like whatever students you are bringing, on every student I will give you 5k immediately if the student is joining in 30k or more than 30k course. Okay, means now I'll explain. Suppose you are meeting someone, and that person, not meeting, you are talking to someone, or you are convincing to someone, and that person is interested to join. Then this person will pay me fees, and from that fees, you immediately I will pay you the fees. That's all done. Job over. Immediately I'll pay you your hard work. Whatever you have done, I will pay you. That's all. Now it depends on you how many students you can make. You can make 1 students also, and you can make 10 students also. At least in your college, 60, 50, 30, some students will be there. It depends in which college you are. And GATE Aerospace, many students, they are not aware about GATE Aerospace exam. You can talk to them and you can ask them to join. So minimum, I am just going for the minimum figure. Minimum figure is 2 students. 2 students. If you want to earn more, you just talk to few more students, and process is very simple. If you are giving me 2 students, then on every students I will give you 5k plus 5k. That's all. Job over. I got my 2 students, and I will make their future. They will join my coaching, and they will go to IIT. And what you have got this 10k immediately. This is one thing. That's all. Job over. How will you start this? Very simple. 2 things are there. One is, you can take any screenshot, or you can simply write that to prepare for GATE. If you want to prepare for GATE Aerospace, contact me. Or if you want to prepare for GATE Aerospace, like something, so that they will come to you, and after that you will say me that, sir, there is a number, and this student name is this, will contact you, or he or she will contact you. That's all. Simple. Okay, after that I will handle. Simple. After that I will handle. Okay. And because see here, why I am creating this kind of business plan, it has 2 very interesting plus points. First point is, I'll be getting students will be getting IIT, you will be getting your income. And what kind of income? You are not going to sit in any company, you are not going to work under someone. Simply it's up to you if you will. And best part is, there is nothing like you have to take leave or you have to do something. Just take a screenshot from YouTube and post on your status. Now it depends how many status you are putting in one day, how many status are, like you're putting 2 status or 20 status or 1 status or 10 status. Like it depends how effective they are, right? So like you understand totally, it is very very simple program. And if student is joining below 30k, like if student joining in 25k, 15k to 25k, like 15k, 20k and 25k, in these 3 programs, if a student is joining, in that case you will be getting 1.5k. But if a student is joining in 30k to 35k or above this, 40, 45, 55, then immediately you will be getting 5k in your account. immediately. Okay, you can trust me for this, no problem at all. So, and if you want to know more about this, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, 6380135 and if you are very new, if you are watching this video for the very first time, then you should know I am running a coaching center for GATE Aerospace. I have qualified GATE 6 times and I am teaching GATE for 8+ years. I have given so many toppers and I am running a full-fledged coaching center. I have all the facilities, whatever you are looking for. Okay, so you can convince the students, and if they are willing to join, just through you, they will join through you. This was the video. This will not be public on YouTube. This video will run through the unlisted. Okay, so that it will reach to only those people who are interested to earn 10K. Okay, that's all. If you have anything to inquire, you just contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you.